How you doing? I am Mark. I am here at this ghost house looking for a ghost. There's a ghost dog around here somewhere. When I find it, I'll let you know. On with the show! It's around here. Where is that ghost dog? Ghost dog somewhere. Where is the ghost dog? You gotta sneak up on him. You don't see that ghost dog. Where is the... what is that? I heard footsteps. Where's the ghost dog? What is that? What is that? Oh, it's coming! It's coming! Oh, God. Somebody help me. Oh, it speaks. Oh. Oh. What should we do? What should we do? It looks like it's smiling. Let's get close, see if I can come in contact. What was that?